Retirement is a golden opportunity to explore new avenues of income and pursue passions. Affiliate marketing offers a very lucrative and flexible way for retirees to earn extra money whilst enjoying their newfound freedom. In this post, I want to delve into the world of affiliate marketing and how retirees can leverage it to supplement their income and embrace an exciting new chapter in their lives. I guess first I want to cover what is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing really is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, also called affiliates, promote products or services of companies and earn a commission for each successful sale or lead generated through their marketing efforts. As a retiree, you can become an affiliate partner with various brands that align with your personal interests or expertise. There are definite benefits of affiliate marketing for retirees. And I guess the first one really is affiliate marketing does allow you to work on your terms and set your schedule. It's an ideal option for retirees seeking to do a bit of a balancing act between leisure and earning an income. There's very little in the way of startup costs. So unlike traditional businesses, affiliate marketing requires really a minimal upfront investment. You won't need to worry about things like inventory, customer support, or order fulfillment. And there really is not much in the way of technical expertise required. Affiliate programs provide ready-to-use marketing material and support, making it accessible even to those with pretty limited technical skills. So, how to find the right affiliate program for you? And I think the key is firstly to identify a niche that aligns with your personal interests and knowledge, whether it's in travel, health, finance. Focusing on a niche you're passionate about will make your affiliate efforts that much more authentic and engaging. Do research and explore popular affiliate networks like, I guess, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. But please remember that over 85% of companies these days have an affiliate program, so the opportunities are really endless. The key, though, is to build trust and credibility. Always be genuine. Always provide honest and unbiased reviews of any products or services that you promote. Building trust with your audience is essential for long-term success. Also use personal experiences. So if you've used the products yourself, share your personal experiences. Your authenticity will really resonate with your audience. Affiliate marketing offers a remarkable opportunity for retirees to stay active, earn an extra income, and share their expertise with the world. By selecting a niche that really does align with your interests, creating valuable content, and engaging with your audience, you can establish a really successful affiliate marketing venture during your retirement years. So, if you're ready to embark on the and embrace the freedom of retirement whilst boosting your income through the world of affiliate marketing, click the link in my bio, because really and truly I'd be delighted to help you get started.